In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Aliexpress to Shopee. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up, list products, fulfill orders, and get paid without holding any inventory. First, make sure you have the two accounts you need. Create a buyer account on Aliexpress, then open a Shopee seller account through the app or website. In Shopee, complete your basic setup. Add your store name, your pickup or return address, and your payout method so funds can be released to you later. Next, find products on Aliexpress that are already proving themselves. Look for items with a high number of orders. 500 or more is a solid sign, an average rating of 4.5 stars or higher, and plenty of photo reviews so you can see real buyer experiences. Shipping options like ePacket or AliExpress, standard shipping, are ideal for reliable tracking. Great niches to explore include phone accessories, home and kitchen gadgets, beauty tools, pet supplies, and car accessories. Avoid branded or copyrighted items to stay compliant. Before you commit to a product, confirm it can be shipped where your customers are. Open the product page on AliExpress, set your target country, and check the shipping cost and delivery window. A delivery time of around 7 to 20 days is a good benchmark. Now list the product on Shopee. Go to Seller Center and choose Add New Product. Use AliExpress as your reference, but rewrite the title to be clear and local friendly. Download clean images and avoid any watermarks, and simplify the description so it's easy to understand for your market. Price your item to cover product cost, shipping, Shopee fees, and your profit. A common guideline is 2 to 3 times the AliExpress cost, depending on the niche and competition. Optimize your listing for discovery and conversion. Include relevant keywords buyers actually search for. Add concise bullet-style highlights in your description, a size guide if applicable, and quick FAQs to reduce pre-sale questions. If your margins allow, enable free shipping and set up vouchers to boost clicks and conversions. When a customer orders on Shopee, Shopee will hold the payment and the order will appear as to ship. Don't mark it shipped yet. Instead, head to AliExpress, purchase the item, and enter your customer's Shopee address at checkout. Ask the supplier not to include invoices or promo materials, and add a note. This is a dropshipping order. Please don't include invoice or branding. After the seller ships, copy the tracking number, paste it into your Shopee order, and mark it as shipped. Whenever possible, choose AliExpress standard shipping for dependable tracking. Once your customer receives the product, Shopee releases the payment to you. Your profit is your Shopee selling price minus the AliExpress cost and platform fees. That's the full workflow from product research to payout.